very pleased that today we are here together, Tetra Pak and Nestle team, to sign this memorandum and start the Dairy Hub that we have been discussing for quite some time. And both teams have been working vigorously for a number of months. We realized that even though all of us know that how important dairy is for Pakistan and how much milk Pakistan produces, but after growing continuously for 6 years at the rate of about 25% per annum, the growth started to decline. In fact, in 2007, it's more or less become stagnant. And there, when we investigated that, what are the reasons behind that, it became very obvious that the reason is not the demand, it is the supply side of milk, that good raw milk was not available. And that is quite a challenge. And when you start digging into the reasons for those, that why good raw milk is not available, then we know that even though we have got close to 50 million animals, and there are huge dependence on our rural population on dairy and agriculture, but there is no good infrastructure. They do not have correct know-how, how to handle the animal, how to do the breeding, how to feed them, how to give them the water. There are a number of basic things that our dairy farmers don't know, and they are living on subsistence basis. The answer to this is, of course, number of bodies, particularly government, over last 60 years should have done something about it by having the infrastructure, road, electricity, water, but unfortunately we do not have that. And we cannot wait for somebody else to do something. And for our growth of our industry, we realize that it's important that this good raw milk become available. And even though Tetra Pak is a packaging company, our job is to provide solution to process and pack products, including milk or juices. But for our growth, it was quite important, and as well as for our customers' growth, it was important. We initiated this loose milk conversion, and within that, one of the key pillar was good raw milk. And there we identified that we need to work on both sides. One is that there should be new players coming in who should invest in corporate dairy farms where they can get economies of scale. But that is a huge investment, and that also requires a lot of know-how, which is again not available in Pakistan today. And there are a number of people from abroad who are interested, but again they are a little bit reluctant, also because of the current security situation in Pakistan. The other important aspect of Pakistan is that corporate dairy farms may do one thing, but they will not help the poor dairy farmer. And in fact, they will be even out of income completely. So the concept of Dairy Hub is to basically provide and treat these animals in a concentrated area like they are one dairy farm, and provide the kind of services that you see on corporate dairy farm. Of course, it will not be same, but it is towards that. And there, Tetra Pak came up with the concept, with some ideas, and fortunately, our customers like Nestle, you have been already working on similar things. So we just need to put together a few other things to make it a bigger and a model. I'm very happy that where we are is a very, very good start. The way I see it is this is more like a model to start with. I am quite certain that the efforts that we are all putting in, and particularly the commitment that Nestle has shown, and starting with 3 dairy hubs, we will see significant improvement in the quality and quantity of milk supply, as well as it will directly help the dairy farmers in those areas. But also, we will be able to prove the business case for ourselves, most likely, and you may be inclined to do number of other hubs, but more so, I expect that there will be other businesses who will see that there is great growth potential and there is profitability in this business, and they may invest using the similar model. So with that wish, I wish you all good luck, and thank you for the commitment that Nestle team has shown. And Umar, you have done a lot of work together with Dr. Nasser. I think with this commitment, I do not see any risk of failure. And with that, thank you very much and good luck.